Hey guys, I'm Aira, and this is my first video I'm doing for my blog, as always, Aira, so I'm super excited to get this started. Today I have a hair tutorial that I really want to show you guys. You might remember the ponytail that I did on my 21st birthday. It was the bubble ponytail. I got so many questions and DMs asking me how I accomplished this look, but it's literally so easy, and I'm super excited to show you guys exactly how I got it. So let's get started. Okay, so all we're going to need today to get started is a few little black elastics. Clear if you have them though. Clear is always better to use in your hair so it doesn't show up. But because I'm using black today, I'll be also using a few bobby pins. You don't need very many. And this is just going to help us hide the black elastics that are going to be in our hair. But I will show you how to do that in just a few minutes. So, before we get started, you just want to make sure your hair has been combed out and you've parted it. I've already done both of those things, and my hair is styled today, but you absolutely do not have to have your hair styled at all to achieve this look. This is something that you could roll out of bed and do in virtually 5 minutes. So let's get started. Just go ahead and pick where you want to have your ponytail. This is something you could do on the top of your head with no part, or just like me, I like to do it as a low ponytail. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to pick a spot and put it in my hair. Okay, just like that. Make sure that the elastic is secure in your hair, and you can tell that this definitely sticks out like a sore thumb in my blonde hair, so I'm going to show you guys the trick to hiding your black elastic. Take a very small piece of hair from your ponytail underneath, just about that much. You're going to start wrapping it around the elastic, and you're going to take a bobby pin and just at a downward angle secure the elastic into the secure your hair into the elastic. Now we're going to take our next pony, and about 1 inch to 1.5 inches away from the base, you're going to place your first elastic, and this will create the bubble illusion. So once you've put that in place, we're going to then start pulling a bunch of hair. And the reason you want to do it about 1 inch to 1.5 inches away is because, as you can see, as I'm pulling more hair out, the elastic is sliding down, giving it a bigger gap than what I had originally. And so that's what it's going to look like. The messier the better. You want it to look very undone and not put together. And then once again, we're going to take a very small piece of hair. That's good. And then we're just going to wrap it around the black elastic and hide that in our hair. And then take another bobby pin and get that secured in place as well. Okay, and now take another elastic and create another little bubble. Again, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches away from our first one. And then we're going to pull all the way around, make it look messy, undone, and very big and fluffy. Okay, take another little piece from our pony to wrap around our black elastic. Alright, and we'll secure that. And I can never decide if I want to do 2 or 3 bubbles in my hair, because my hair is a medium length, so I could probably do another one, but I might not have that much hair left at the bottom. So I'm just going to leave it with 2 bubbles today, and then I'm going to take my hair and also just make it look a little bit more lived in, pull out some strands, make it just a messier thing. But that's it, y'all. I mean, that took like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes. this is the finished look. It's super easy and it's just a fun take on the regular ponytail. I mean, you could wake up and do this in the morning before class and have a fun look to last the rest of the day. You could also wear this to a holiday party this season. Like I said, this was my 21st birthday hairstyle, so it obviously is something that you could wear to a party and definitely bring the fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it for you, and hopefully there will be more videos to come for, as always, Aira. But until next time, thanks guys.